He's like a walking, talking Ventrac commercial. He has all the good options. He knows what to buy. Did you ever try and rent one before you bought it? I'm Aaron Graber with Ventrac, and today we're on site doing a leaf job on a large property with Sawyer from Sawyer's Lawn Care Service out of Greene, Ohio. Our factory's in Orrville, as you know, Northeast Ohio company. The fact that we're so close makes it really easy to just swing out here, start working. We'd like to hear, a little bit about where you came from, what motivated you to start your company, and what keeps you going.
For sure. So I started getting into landscaping about 10 years ago or so. Worked for another company. Didn't really know anything about the the industry of landscaping. Kind of gave my boss a little bit of a headache, trying to learn everything on the fly there. And basically learned that I kind of want to go into business for myself. I always wanted to have a business, but just working for yourself, it's more work, but I really enjoy, what we do.
So you're like a pretty typical lawn care service. You do a lot of mowing, edging, additional services seasonally, aeration and leaf removal, things like that. What else do you get into?
Oh, we also do like snow plowing, mulching, gravel installs, all sorts of things.
So if it happens outside, you do it.
For sure. And we're trying to expand, our services we offer with the Ventrac and all the attachments it offers. So,
So that's how we found Sawyer in the first place, is we saw a video of him online. He posted to YouTube. We saw the video, we're like, hey, he knows what he's doing because he has a leaf plow. So we brought our tractor. This is actually Sawyer's tractor here with the dual wheels. And then this is one of the tractors from the factory. So we have a bunch of different setups. We've got some backpack blowers in the background working, getting stuff around the tight areas. And then we've got the small blower, the large blower. I've got a leaf plow on the 3-point, and then you've got also a second leaf plow that you're running on the front of your tractor, just depending on what areas we're in. And so we're tackling this from a lot of different angles, basically getting every possible type of application in one property. So it's really been good. This property is pretty flat. There's not a lot here, but then there's some spots where right next to the driveway, there's a little bit of a lip. I mean, it doesn't look like a lot, but if you're on a stand-on or even a sit-down Z where it's just two-wheel drive, you get on the edge of that, it's pretty easy to slip off and cause ruts or tearing of the grass. Not every property is perfect and doesn't have like perfect turf, but there's a lot of places that you might not think you need that advantage of being able to go up over terrain and sloped areas, even though it's just a small spot.
Oh, for sure.
Talk to me about the duals.
I rarely take them off unless I need to fit in a trailer. I mean, they just stay on all the time. I mean, when you're stump grinding, it gives you more stability. Like when you make the hole from the stump, you can just kind of float right over that. I mean, when you're on steep terrain, it's the dual wheels are amazing.
Yeah, it's actually not that uncommon. And people put dual wheels on and then they go, you know what? There's really just no reason to take them off. I mean, unless it's a fitment issue or you're maneuvering around things, that's really the only reason. But dual wheels they're pretty phenomenal. This backyard was the primary area that I was working in. And as you get deeper in towards the house, you can tell it's an area that's sat probably in the shade a lot of the year. So the ground is a little bit spongy, there's a little bit of moss growing here and there. And because the tractor's articulating and because the front and rear wheels follow the same wheel path, I didn't destroy anything.
And you didn't have the dual wheels on.
Yeah, and I only had singles. So like pretty incredible. If you had a normal tractor, it would have been tearing things all over the place. Yeah, it's just not really doable if you don't want to fix yourself out of a property then.
Yeah, and these ones actually have the treatment as well. Okay. So, if you run over anything, they just automatically fill in the holes.
The tire sealant, that's what he's talking about when he says treatment. He's like a walking, talking Ventrac commercial. He has all the good options. He knows what to buy. Good job. So what was your main reason, if you had to distill it into one primary thing, what was your main reason for actually going out and getting the Ventrac?
So it's the amount of stuff you can do with just the one tractor. So you can, with our stump grinder, power rake, all the different attachments we have on there, if you bought those individually, they'd cost, 30 to 60,000, and then you have to maintain it. And on this, you just have one engine, one machine. And,
yeah, we see that all the time on the stump grinder. You could use that stump grinder in the fall, and then if you got busy doing other stuff, you could park that thing for 6 months and nothing would happen. You could just come right back to it, hook it up and use it. Seems like every property that I go on, there's a lot of stuff that's just left undone, and it's not because the customer wouldn't want to do it or the business wouldn't be capable of doing it. They just don't have the tools necessarily.
Sure.
So yeah, as you're mowing, as you're doing other jobs around, you see a stump, it's like, hey, I can knock that stump out. I'm already here. I don't have to charge you as much as a stump grinding company would have to charge you to come out just for that one thing. So yeah, I mean, I know I'm selling it to you already, and you already have the tractor. I don't have to sell it to you, but it's really a benefit.
I can fit probably about 2 or 3 attachments on a trailer with this thing, and you wouldn't be able to fit all those machines on one trailer.
Right.
It just wouldn't work out. You'd have to make multiple trips or just do it on different days, and it just takes it's time consuming. And when you quote the jobs ahead of time, you just want all that to be right there, knock it out, load it back up, and call it a day.
So in your opinion or your advice, how would you know it's time for you to step up to equipment that's more capable, is more versatile, has the capability to do other things like this, from just standard mowing equipment?
Basically, as soon as you know you can reasonably afford one and you have the jobs that you need to get done with it, I mean, as soon as we got it, it just helps out with everything we do effectively. I mean, between all the different attachments, I mean, we can add more jobs and get the ones we've already have and we've done in prior years more efficiently.
That's the story we love to capture, is that start of, you know, here's where it started, and it's a modest beginning, you know, in a lot of cases, because that's the only really prudent way to do it, is this is what I can afford, this is what I can do. And then it's the next equipment and the next equipment and the next equipment after that, and ultimately you get something like this, and then maybe even beyond. And it's a cool story. Did you ever try and rent one before you bought it?
I did not. No,
Okay,
I just
so that is a possibility. I do want to put that plug in. That's one way, I think, too, that you can, as a business that's growing, you can kind of dip your toes in the water. If you can score a job that maybe you don't have the equipment for that you own, but you can go rent it for the day or the week or the weekend, that's sometimes one way to sort of cheat the system a little bit and start to get into that work. And there are some Ventrac dealers that do rent Ventrac equipment, tractors and attachments. So yeah, it's one way that you can really help yourself grow in that way. What's the most fulfilling part for you of having your own business and being able to take care of your customers?
Just getting the job done right, how they want it. I mean, that's literally our slogan, is reasonably priced, done how you want it. And you know, we get very few complaints from our customers about how we get a job done, and we always check with them afterwards, say, hey, is everything done exactly, you know, the way you want it? And yeah, just get confirmation and just getting everything cleaned up and helping people out. And always make sure you do a great job for the customer, to the best of your abilities with the equipment you have at the time.
Sawyer, thanks for inviting us out, letting us work on this property today with you. We'll leave his channel link in our description below, so if you're interested in checking out his content, make sure you go there. For anything about the Ventrac machines, make sure you visit our website at ventrac.com. And if you're in Greene, Ohio or the surrounding areas and need some work done on your property, call him up. He's got a good team.